Hi, my name is Fruci. I'm the founder of Odahi Foundation as well as the organizer for On Your Block Festival taking place at Tipperary Park July 9th from 1 to 9 p.m. This festival, we are celebrating cultural. That's why it's Multicultural Festival. We got DJs that are from Zimbabwe, we got DJs from Nigeria, South Africa, and right here, even local artists as well as singers. So we have a whole range from like classical soft music to even acoustics happening in the beer garden as well. So we really wanted to showcase all the talent that we have right here on your block, while you get to also work with them and see what they're capable of and just help empower their greatness even further. So outside of the music, of course, we have other things that families can also enjoy, including their children. Starting from the Friendship Garden, we also have a face painting going on. We have arts battle where they can actually create beautiful art with just wood, and that is an artist called Nikki Lewis, and she's going to be putting that together in the Friendship Garden. We have food trucks, again celebrating that diversity as well. So from Mexican meal to again Kenya coffee to right here again to local businesses, and we also have 50+ vendors that are going to be showcasing their business, so you can come on out and shop local, support them, especially after such a difficult pandemic. So there's so much going on outside of just the music where everybody can definitely participate on. And finally, for the dads, for the uncles, for the brothers, we also have a beer garden. As long as you're 19+, you are welcome to come and sit in, have a brew, and celebrate all the local breweries from Yellow Dog, Stratacoba, if I'm pronouncing that right, as well as Studio Brewery and so much more. So in there would also be an acoustic music to help us set the tone and really just create that really zen environment where you can also have a conversation and step away from the music of the stage and have your own little spot. And finally, to also let you know, we're going to have a raffle going on as well. We have some jerseys to win from Canucks, BC Lion tickets, and so much more. But we can't wait to invite you there because On Your Block Festival is where everyone belongs. So I hope to see you there on July 9th from 1 to 9 p.m. And if you want to learn more about the festival, you can visit our website, www.onyourblockfest.com. And you can also follow us on Instagram at @onyourblockfest. Can't wait to see you there.